Now after fixing this Sony XBR TV, it wasn't booting up properly, so I unplugged the power cord, held down the power button down for around 15 seconds, then plugged in the power cord and turned on the TV. That should correct any software glitches or errors in the TV. This only fixes software problems in the TV. It clears out the cache memory, and it should correct your issue if it's only software. Now if it's a hardware issue, then you have to watch some of my other videos, but this also works for other TV brands as well. Unplugging the power cord, holding down the power button is a hard reset. That works on many different brands. And as you can see, we're up and running. So guys, if you found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that has a Sony XBR TV that may find this video informative or helpful, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.